Alright, as y'all can see, doing a little unboxing video. I got this box from VIBN or VIBN. I don't know how to pronounce it, to be honest. So, should have probably searched that before I started. Anyway, I don't know the name of the brand exactly.
When y'all saying my name, put some respect on it.
Let me rewind. Okay, so I kept seeing these like mystery boxes with like outfits and all that. I'm my own stylist, to be honest, personally. Give me my props. But I kept seeing these like mystery box vintage stuff, and I'm looking for vintage stuff, so that's why I keep seeing these mystery boxes. So pretty much you get these mystery boxes and you don't know what clothing you're getting. But I'm like, why don't I try some vintage stuff but a complete outfit set? So I did some research and I was like, this stuff seems like good quality and it seems pretty how do you say it, authentic. That's what I mean. With that being said, what I pretty much did is went with VIBN. They need to correct me how to pronounce it. Because theirs came with sneakers, and I'm picky when it comes to sneakers. I don't get sneakers like that. When I do, I think I make a pretty good selection. So, with them having an outfit with the shirt, pants, whatever accessories, and the sneakers, I said, why not get them? Granted, it costs $250.
You need to leave.
Some people might get on me for that. I spent $250 on a box of stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna get from a website with great reviews, by the way, but I did not see like a review like this on YouTube, so I figured why not do it myself. I feel like I'm babbling a bit much, so without further ado, we're gonna grab the outfit. I considered blindfolding myself and then trying the outfit on, but then I thought, wait, I'm gonna be in my underwear on camera, and that just doesn't make any sense. Which is weird because you could be in swim trunks on camera and it's not that weird because you're in swim trunks. I guess the setting in that place required, it just fits. I'm rambling. Let's get into the unboxing video. Whoa. It don't feel like I got a whole outfit and some sneakers in here. Some people might be saying, why are you saying that you picked up the box before? It was delivered when I wasn't here, so someone put it down and I haven't picked it up until now. And I'm realizing this feels a lot lighter than what I thought it would be. It doesn't feel like a whole outfit and sneakers in here. We're gonna find out though. We're gonna find out. I like the sticker though. I like the box, and it ain't just like a brown box. I'll give them that. Safety first. Now when you do this with delicacy because you spent $250 on this, so you don't want to rip your clothes open and crazy. So you want to do it nice and sweet and gentle like that. Pop it like that. Do it again. Bam. That's one side. Like that. Boom. Put a little strength and oomph into it. Now you're pretty much done, but you want to hit it with a
God damn!
That's what. You see that? Next, you want to turn it. Get this right here. Gentle. Voila. Close this up. Nice and easy. Put it right here. But push it out of frame because it don't look too professional. You know what I'm saying? Just push it out of frame right there. Feel me? Got it. Turn the box so you can show off the logo. Alright. Now, all I see is brown paper. Y'all find it out with me. Cool. Curry. Letter. Thanks for shopping with VIBN, however you say their name. It says on the back, not just a purchase, it's a journey, a leap. The story we've been weaving together from our humble campus beginnings to the thriving community we built today. Okay. Thank you for choosing VIBN, I don't know. Each purchase fuels our dream, allowing us to curate the best of vintage sneakers, and streetwear for you. We are honored to have you join our narrative, and we promise to continue. Oh, that's my fault. We promise to continually elevate your style with each new piece. And then signed by, I don't want to butcher his name, so I'm gonna just do y'all the honors. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Creative Director. I appreciate that. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Got the Big Apple in the building. Mr. Big Apple. Alright. That I can rock this. But what brand would this, like, is this like, you could kind of tell it's vintage. The tag's just a little faded. I don't mind though, because who's looking at the tag when you're rocking an outfit? That's the top. To get my size right, I can't tell because the tag's also a little ripped. But they put their own tag in there. I like that little touching detail. I'll give them that. I fuck with it. Not my choices of colors, but still nice. I like this. I like that right there. Bada bing, bada boom, that's one. What's this? Oh, I see a check. I'm always checks over stripes. Check, please. Oh, these are pants. I thought this was a ring break. Now, when I wear this with this, I don't know. But these are some. I see why the box was so light. Okay. All right. Some pants. Stretchy pants. These look kind of big for my tiny waist. I ain't gonna lie. But I like this. You could. Now I'm looking at. You could rock this. You could rock this. Hold up. All right. Just to confirm the check. There's the tag. High key Nike. Feel me? Even got the logo on the pants. Boom. On to the next one. Now, before we get to the winner, sent a little sticker. Who don't like stickers? But that's his side. More paper. And now, the sneakers. I low-key send myself in the face doing that. Now I'm gonna close my eyes. Alright. Air Forces. Oh, okay. All right. This is adding some color to my collection. This is fire. I ain't gonna lie. They'll be better as high tops, but let's see if they got the size right. Let me see if they got my size right. Wrong shoe. My apologies. Don't say nothing about sitting sneakers on the couch because these are freshly clean. These aren't worn. They don't look like they've ever been worn before. If anything, someone else owned them, but like these are clean looking. All right. Size is where's the size? Am I bugging? Come on. Okay. Alright. No, where's the size at? I got it. Okay. But let me see. Okay. I thought they gave me a 10 at first. I was gonna say I am a 10 and a half or 11. my friend. Yeah. No, I like these though. I like these. I need some like diversity with colors when it comes to shoes and just outfits in general. So this was a pleasant surprise. Very, very nice. I like this. Now that you've seen the shoes, you've seen the pants, and you've seen the top, the sweater, it's time to put them all together and see how it looks. Okay. All right. All right. I fuck with it. In conclusion, do I like it? I'll be honest. The sweater is a little small. I did ask for a medium and everything, but the sweater's a little small. I feel like one wash and it may just turn into an extra small. So, gotta deduct a point for that. Pants are super comfortable and they fit really well. It kind of low-key feels like I'm not wearing anything. And isn't that what you want when it comes to wearing pants? I didn't check. Do they have zippers? They don't have zippers, but the pockets are deep. I like that. That's a plus. The sneakers fit great. Like, they fit, but they're also like, there's a lot of space in them. There's a lot of space. I like that. Bottoms are clean. Laces are white. Sneakers are really winning the outfit over, to be honest. Would I put this together myself? I don't know, but it is what it is. At a 5 star, I would give it 3. And maybe it could have been close to a 4. It could be a 4. Let's go 3.5. The sneakers are really winning over. Now there are packages on their site that are without the sneakers and the prices is way cheaper. So would I like the outfit if it was this and this? Probably not so much, but the sneakers are winning them over. So I give them 3.5 stars, basically a 4. I guess we could say a 4. Again, the sweater's a little small, but it fits, so that's good. Word of advice, just business mindset. They should make they should have like a section, maybe to charge a little extra. Maybe don't. People don't want to hear that you're charging extra. But where you put your link to your Instagram, and then they look through your Instagram and say, okay, this is this person's style. Now let's pick an outfit. And maybe they'll like that. And then kind of like a personal stylist, then do that. And it's still a mystery box to you, but to them it's like we're basing it off of what we see you like. And then boom, they send it to you, and you're like more chances of you liking it because it's similar to your style already. Do they do that? I don't know. That's just a word of advice for me. This is my review. Let me know what you thought. I like this, but I will say, would I buy it again? Yes, just to see what else they could do, because this is cool. This is cool, but can they go harder? I think so. I think they really could go harder than this. Great site. Check them out. They have plenty of other mystery boxes and packages if you don't want to spend $250 on an entire outfit. But with getting the entire outfit, the sneakers won me over, so I can't complain too much. Anyways, that's my review. I'm out. Take care. Have a blessed day, and see you in the next video.